Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this Origami Flasher Brick Wall right here, designed by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. So it looks really cool, and it's a variation of that brick wall tessellation. And yep, but except there's flashers right here now, and this is how it works. So you just pull two opposite sides like this, and boom, it explodes like that. And these are little flashers right here. See, isn't that cool? Yep. Pull the opposite sides too. And yep, there's the tutorial to learn how to fold it. And yeah, I think this is a really cool model. Yeah. So it's a Flasher Brick Wall Tessellation. Trying to get it back together here. There you go. Yep, there it is. See? Or you can take these two sides and just pull them gently like that. Yep, there it is. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this demo. And by the way, I want to show you another model that I'll be demoing in a couple days. Check this out. This is the Origami Ghost, designed by Jeremy Shafer. And see, it kind of flaps just like that. And I'll put that demo out in a couple days. So for that demo, click right here when I publish it. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. See you guys later.